From the conditions of the fast is that the fast is not accepted from any individual except that he fulfills certain conditions. Number one, that he is upon Islam. And number two, that he has bulugh, that he comes of age. Number three, that he has aql, he's of sound mind. And number four, that he has the ability to fast. That then, for any individual who is Muslim, of sound mind, has reached bulugh, has the ability to fast, the fast becomes wajib upon him. It is haram to break the fast. Never should we hear the believer saying and making statements such as, I'm going to do 10 days this year, or I'm going to do 7 days this year, or I'm going to try 2 weeks this year. The fast, brothers and sisters, is wajib from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. Allah Azza wa Jal mentions Shahru Ramadan, the month of Ramadan. الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان فمن شهد منكم الشهر فليصمه. That whomsoever witnesses from among you the month, then let him fast it. Allah Azza wa Jal did not say days from it or the first week of it. Na'am. Breaking the fast then is min kaba'ir al-dhunub. It's from the major sins that causes a person to fall under the threat of the punishment of Allah Azza wa Jal.